Hello there, welcome to the Technique. We have this Mercedes today W213 E-Class from 2017 model, and here you can see we have upgraded its ambient light kit in the car. We have installed this tweeters, we have installed the speaker covers like air vents, all the air vents at the front plus at the back side, footwell lights as you can see on the back side as well. From factory the lights are only on the below, like on the footwell. So you can see we have changed all the lights here, plus we have the more options in the car. For example, if you go to the light, this car has the small screen, so they don't have like two-way fair colors in this OEM menu, but you can see all the colors are changing as I'm rotating. So there are total 64 different colors. Here you can see there are total 64. So here is the color like looking like this. For example, we are in the green right now. Plus we have this advanced symphony mode that I have installed only here in these sides. For example, I will go to the options. So here I have lots of different colors or options on my mobile phone. First I will choose this. So you can see we have this beautiful rainbow effect on changing the colors. So this is the still shadow effect. We have the breather as well, so it's like same like breathing effect in the car. Plus I have this streamer or different kind of animations that are available here like this. You can see we have different kinds of animations, different colors, white colors like this. You can say this one is collecting the light on the middle side. Plus if we go down, so we have this all the way these lights are collecting on the sides, not in the middle. Then we have there's some other options that are coming like this. In the whole cars these are working like this. Plus we have different other options. So but this one is my personal favorite. So this one is working with the backlight control as well. For example, if I will turn the car on auto, so it will automatically minimize the screen brightness. So when I will turn this off, so it will adjust from here. Plus I have on my mobile phone as well all the brightness levels, all the settings. For example, if I open the door, so this door has the warning option. For example, you can see this one is blinking red, and the other doors are like working normal. They don't have any effect on their door opening. Plus when I will close this option, it will be back to normal. Then I have this climate control option as well. Right now the car is not start, but on increasing or decreasing the climate, so it will change with the climate control as well. For example, we select this blue, so you can see all the car has the blue option except this light, but you can do this one as well. On the back side we have this underglow or the air vents as well. On the back side we have speaker covers, handle, and the main light. Same like here, if for example if we go to the symphony modes, we have different settings options available. You can change the colors from your mobile phone as well. So here you can see I have all the color fonts. Right now I have this Chinese application because I'm not change the language, but it's in English as well. So all the settings are available. Plus you can change the colors from here as well. For example, we choose purple, so it will be purple here. Then we have different settings, different options. You can like set it up for the welcoming lights or other kind of settings that are available here. So if you want this light or want the ambient light installed in your car, you can contact me. I will provide you all the information in the description below. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below, or you can comment. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.